Welcome back. We are on picture description challenge 12 now. You know the drill. Watch this picture for 15 seconds, then I'll describe it. Are you ready? Let's begin. This picture shows many children and some adults cleaning up a park. They are all working together to make the park beautiful. The sun is shining and it looks like a nice day. The ground is a vibrant green with rolling hills and patches. There are a few trees with leafy canopies. There is also a brown wooden bench on the left side between the trees. In the top right corner there is a red slide and a swing set. There is a little girl on the slide. She has dark brown hair in twin tails. She is wearing a pink shirt with buttons, a pink skirt and pink shoes. She is sliding down a red slide with her arms outstretched to the sides. It is looking like she is having a blast. The slide is positioned on a green grassy hill with light green stripes. Next to her, a boy is swinging on a swing set. He has dark hair. He is wearing an orange shirt, yellow pants and red shoes with blue socks. He is also wearing a yellow cap attached to the shirt. He is flying high on a blue swing attached to a dark blue swing set frame. In the left corner, there are three people working together. They are cleaning up trash in the park. On the left there is a woman with dark hair in a ponytail. She is wearing a tan shirt, blue pants, steel shoes and tan gloves. She is picking up trash and putting it into a big black bag. In the middle, a boy is kneeling down. He is wearing a tan shirt, blue pants, steel shoes and tan gloves. He is also putting trash into a black bag. There is some trash scattered on the ground in front of them. Next to them, two people are cleaning up a green field. On the left, there is a boy with black hair. He is wearing a blue hoodie and green pants. He is also wearing brown shoes and green gloves. He is putting some stuff like a wooden plank and a plant into a big white bag. On the right, a woman with her black hair bunched up. She is wearing a green and white vest over a white shirt. She is also wearing blue pants and brown shoes. She is using a rake to gather green leaves or trash into a pile. In the right side, there are two people cleaning up the green area. On the left, a woman with pink hair in a ponytail. She is wearing a white shirt, red pants and black shoes. She is holding a black trash bag. She is lifting the lid of a red trash bin. She is placing a black trash bag into a red garbage can. On the right, a man with short black hair. He is wearing a blue shirt, orange shorts and flip-flops. He is walking while carrying a box of items in his right hand. He is also holding a black trash bag in his left hand for disposal. The trash can is red and green. Behind them there is a girl with dark brown hair. She is wearing a green top, a purple and yellow polka dot skirt. She is also wearing yellow gloves and yellow headband. She is sitting down and holding a purple mug. She is placing a cup into a green bag that has purple recycling symbol on it. She is kneeling down. She is a very helpful person. Behind her there are two kids, a boy and a girl cleaning up. The boy's got brown curly hair, wearing a red shirt with a yellow star. He is also wearing blue pants and green shoes. He is holding a dustpan. The girl next to him has black hair in a ponytail. She is wearing a yellow shirt, pink skirt and black shoes. She is holding a broom. They are both smiling. It seems like they are having fun cleaning up some grey stuff. On the top left there are two kids playing. There is a girl on the left with short black hair. She is wearing an orange dress and matching boots. She is spinning a hula hoop around her waist. On the right is a boy with short red hair. He is rocking a yellow tee, dark pants and yellow shoes. He is also grinning, his arms up while hula hooping. They are both standing on a green patch of grass. It looks like they are having a super fun time. Everyone looks happy to be helping. Overall, the park looks clean and fun. And that's my take on picture number 12. What was the most interesting detail you noticed? Tell me in the comments. Subscribe if you are enjoying these challenges. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.